Hello and welcome to my new apartment. I have lived in this apartment for a few months and it's finally time for me to give you a tour. I moved out of my apartment in Soho and I'm now in a new part of the city. But first, let's back it up to move out day, one of the most chaotic days of my life. Hello, all right, today is the day. It is the day that we are moving from my first New York City apartment to my next. I'm out here to start here to check if the movers are here. Okay, it looks like they are. Yeah, I see their truck. So let's now head inside. I'm going to show you guys what the situation is indoors. Okay, so the moving guys get here and there's only two of them. I thought there'd be a little bit more, so there is a lot to pack for only two people, so I'm a little bit nervous. Everything's being packed. It is all happening. There's my props. Every little prop is being packed individually. There's the kitchen. There's my personal items. I own a lot more stuff than I thought. I've been living in this apartment for 6 months, but I am definitely feeling a little emotional. I mean, there's so many memories here. My first apartment, all my friends here, all the work that was done here. Am I feeling a little emotional? I think I am. Okay, so things are moving a little slower than anticipated, and we gotta hurry because the new building I'm moving into, you have to get everything inside your apartment by like 4 p.m. It's like 12:30 right now. We're still not done packing, so I'm a little bit nervous. All right, we had a little bit more stuff than anticipated, so I'm now heading to grab some more boxes because I have a lot more stuff than I thought. All right, let's head to FedEx. It's very loud, but let's go. All right, we have got the boxes. So many boxes. The box waddle. I call it the box waddle. Yes. We've arrived, we're in the new apartment, but the doorman just told us we have 30 minutes to move in. We have to get all my belongings from that truck into the apartment. I don't think this is physically possible. All right, the movers have just left, and there are a lot of boxes. We now have to start the process of unpacking. But if you need me now, I'll be taking a nap because moving in the summer is exhausting. That moving day was quite crazy, right? I am not looking forward to ever moving again. That was a lot. Anyways, we are now in the entranceway. Over here I have this great entry bench. Up here, very important to me was that I had lots of color and food right when you walk into my apartment. So you know this is a food-forward home. And also, oh yeah, we have the cover of Eitan Eats the World, my debut cookbook, available for pre-sale on eitaneatstheworld.com and everywhere books are sold. Little promo. Awesome, now let's head into the kitchen. Now for me, the kitchen is the most important part of the home. It is the reason why I moved into this apartment. When I was looking for a new apartment, the most important part is the kitchen. So we start off with design. That was definitely complicated because this is such a large kitchen. We have some fake plants over here. I thought I wouldn't like fake plants, but I do. You don't have to water them. Then another thing that was very important to me was having lots of spices. I love spices, I love the color, I obviously love cooking with them. So we had this amazing spice rack that we designed with spices from Kalushins. I live now on the Lower East Side and Little India's right here. So lots of great spices. Then these shelves. These are like, I think almost like 20-foot long shelving units, and this was a lot to design. So I figured I would center it around cookbooks. I love cookbooks. I wrote a cookbook, as you know, and I wanted to just display them here. So these are beautifully displayed, more spices, lots of just different things for the home. Now, this over here, we of course have the range over here. Really important for filming videos that you have space behind where you're cooking. So this is just like this kitchen was like made for filming in. This is something that you don't see in most home kitchens. This is a speed rack. This is able to be moved. This is really great, especially because of how many videos I always film. We have tons of little bowls on here for measuring ingredients, plus sheet racks go right on there. It just makes cooking super duper easy. Into the dining room. This table actually came with the apartment. It's just like big 3 slabs of metal on wheels. I don't even want to know how expensive it is, but it's came with the apartment, so I just am very careful with it. This is where we keep the production stuff. So I have all my lights, for video lights, photo lights. Props are super important for doing food photography, so where I keep all the little plates, random colored plates, and then we go into the living room. It was very important to me to have a comfortable living space, and also work gets done. You know, people sit on the couch and do work. So I want to create this, the vibe here is kind of blue. I do match it. And I think the most important piece of decoration is my cat, Cardi. Cardi the cat, Cardi Bernath, is the cutest cat on earth. And if you don't agree with me, then you're wrong. Cardi loves the couch. It's his couch. He thinks this whole apartment's his. He's just, you know, the cutest cat ever. Cardi, hello. Hello, all right, I'll let Cardi sleep. Let's talk about the living room. So this couch, for me, was really important to have a super comfy couch. I have friends over a lot, I entertain a lot, and I really wanted to have a couch you could just like relax in and just like chill with friends. These two we actually just got yesterday, coming in hot, from Home Goods, my mom found. These two I feel like these are like very sophisticated, like I'm gonna read a book chairs. I recently just got back into reading and I love reading, so I feel like having chairs to do that was important for me. Now, of course, we have the artwork, we have some stuff over here. It was very important to me to also kind of be able to display things. So some of the most exciting memories, like when I was on the cover of the New York Times. Something very cool about this apartment that I didn't even know when I moved in is it has a projector. So this is where we watch movies, watch TV with friends. When we have big moments with Eitan Productions, we'll do screenings here. It's really great to have. Now, we've done the kitchen, we've done the living room. Now we're going to head into the other parts of the apartment. I wanted to have an apartment that had another room to have a roommate. So my roommate, Noah, this is where he lives. This is his apartment, not his apartment, his bedroom. And Noah's actually also the head of operations at Eitan Productions. So definitely helpful that he's right here. Now let's head to my room. One thing that was really important to me was to have a better work-life balance because I work quite a lot. So I wanted to be able to kind of have some separation. So because of that, this apartment is 2 floors. So let's now just head up upstairs and I'm gonna give you a little tour of my bedroom up here. Here in the stairs, we have this large painting from Home Goods, a very fancy designer. And let's now just head into my room. Welcome to my bedroom. So I have quite a large bed. It's a little bit ridiculously large, but I mean, does the trick. Over here, this is my favorite pieces in the entire apartment. This is my New York Times food section cover article. I really want to get this framed. You know, a little thing, you know, I'm proud of myself. So I want to display it. Now let's head into my bathroom. Now, this is very important. This is where I shower. This is where I use the toilet, as one does. And this bathroom is pretty cool because it has like a rain shower, so it like falls right from the roof, which is pretty cool. Now, in this corner of my room is where I keep my clothes. Now, anyone who knows me knows that I have a lot of clothes. So I have this rack here. These are kind of my like work clothes. So my amazing stylist, Michelle, always styles different outfits for me. And this is kind of where we keep, so for example, right here, these are all clothes today that I have to try on to see if they actually fit. And then over here down some other clothes for different outfits, things like that. It's just helpful to kind of know what is needed for work easily out here. Then of course I have my closet. This is where all my clothes are kept. I have lots of shoes, as you can see, my sweaters. I'm now changing obviously into like the fall winter outfits. Then of course over here, very important, I love having lots of blankets around. So whenever I have friends, it's always nice that everyone could just like grab a blanket. We have Cardi's little water fountain, Cardi's food, important, you know, as a cat owner. Then, this was a great find. This was from IKEA. This is just like a nice leather little couch from IKEA. It's super nice to read in, nice to chill in. I just like, you know, have a nice comfy place to sit. All right, let's now head into one of my favorite rooms after the kitchen, which is the Solarium. Welcome to the Solarium. I just called this like the window room, but then I heard that someone used the term Solarium, and I was like, yes, this is a solarium. This is where we do meals whenever I'm having friends over. It's also where we do work. As you can see, there's computers set up here that some people left their computers here. We do the work, we do all those great things. It is a great room to get work done in. I love having this open kind of fresh air feel. It's really nice. Out here is my terrace. It's a beautiful area, great to chill with friends. I really love having this. We usually sometimes do work out here. It's nice to have like kind of open space. As you know, I'm releasing a cookbook and I'm signing many copies of the cookbook, which you can purchase, signed copies. The details will be in the description. And I need to sign quite a lot of pages. So that is what I do right here. Let's see, Eitan Bernath. That has been my apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed the apartment tour. Keeping at home is quite exhausting, and you know, I'm really grateful to have this apartment. I know I'm super privileged to be able to live in such a beautiful place, and I'm really proud of all the work that it took to get here and, you know, building the company. Of course, you know, just as like one person and 19-year-old, I don't need such a large apartment, but this place is filled to the brim during the work week with people, producers, and all the different amazing people that work at Eitan Productions. So there's a lot of awesome stuff that gets done here, and it's a beautiful place to work. So I'm really grateful for all that, and this all is only possible with your support. All right, if you need me, I'm gonna be just signing more papers. It's a good wrist workout, I'll tell you that. Well, thank you so much for coming over. I've been waiting so long to have you, so this was so much fun. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I have a brand new show premiering here on YouTube. Here is a little sneak peek. Today we are changing the roles. Today you're cooking. Okay, I'm gonna stand way back here so I don't get burned.
You're gonna wash it and I'll cut it.
No, there's no washing this.
Do you feel safe eating my burgers?
My parents used to call me a pyromaniac when I was a little child.
Fire in the hole!
No. Oh, there we go.
Okay,
it's on fire.
That's good,
It's on
that's
fire.
good, that's good. We did it.
We survived the fire.
That was the
We
hard
survived.
part.
That was it.
Dun, dun, dun. Hi.
Surprise reveal. Welcome to the kitchen. Wasn't that so much fun? I cannot wait for you to see my new show. It is going to be a blast. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, let me know by hitting the like button and comment down below what is your favorite thing in the apartment. I would love to know. Personally, I think it's a New York Times thing on the wall. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. If you need me, I think I'm gonna go read on the couch with Cardi. Thanks for watching. Bye.